day and welcome back to the channel. Today we will be showing you guys how to create levels and floors at different level heights. We're going to use a normal architectural template for this, and the first thing we're going to do is to go to our elevations and create levels at different heights. So I'm going to start by creating different levels like that, and I'm gonna call this one basement. Level 1, level 2, level 3. As you rename the level here, they also change here. But if you also rename this level, but you want it to be renamed only on the elevation without renaming there, you just have to say no, then it will rename here without renaming there. So for this, we want to sort of create a site that will be doing something like that on our project. So we're going to go to basement, and I just want to set out our building profile, for example, or where the building will be sitting. So once we have that, we want the rest of the slope to be sloping, but I want this portion of the site to be flat. So I will do that. Yeah, we want this green portion of the site to be flat. Let's copy this and paste it on our site like that. Can hide this. Once we have this, I'm gonna go to massing and site, Toposurface, and our elevation height that we're gonna start with will be 0. Our next height, 2 meters. Four meters. I'm gonna do another 4 meters here, and I'm gonna say 6. For the bottom ones, I'm going to start with -2 meters, -4, -6. Once we are done with our points, we're gonna hit finish. I'm gonna go to 3D. This is what we have. So this is the side, the portion that I wanted the side to be flat, and the rest can go on a slope like that. If, for example, you want to change the slope of the side, you can edit and select certain points. For example, let me put this at 400. It will change immediately like that.
right? So once we have that, we can start going to our site, and on our profile this outline of the building will change because we will need to start drawing it accurately as per our design. So now for this portion, this is where I want the driveway to be, and there will be another driveway coming this way. So to highlight where you want your driveway to be, we're going to use for sub-regions for now, and this is the portion where the garage door will be, or the garage entrance will be, and we can start drawing our road or access like that. Once you have it like this, you can copy this line this way, and connect it there. And connect these two here. So we have our sub-region like that. So if we go to 3D, you will see it there. So what I like to do is to give this a different material. We're gonna create a material and call it road surface, and let's give it that color. And now we have highlighted where our road will be, like that. So that is how we make Toposurface to go in different level heights within your project. If for instance you have a Toposurface that you have received from your land surveyor, you can put it in as well, and Revit will also generate it automatically for you.
Again, if you have a topo survey that you have received from a land surveyor, you can also put it by going to Insert, Import CAD, then you select it, millimeters, and then you say Open. If you bring it like this and you go to 3D, you'll realize that there are certain heights to those lines. So how you change, or how do you model these lines into a topo survey like this? You go to massing and site, you go to Toposurface, and instead of creating points singularly like this, we're going to go to create from import, select import instance, we select this, and we're going to select the layer of the contour lines. In this instance is layer 0. I'm going to say OK, and there we have it. We have our topo survey, which is in somewhat almost similar, but there you have it, and you can start working with it. You can edit it as well, you can do a lot of things with it. So this concludes our first part of creating topo surveys.